It all started with a single picture, a picture that would ignite a series of events that would change Bobby's life forever. Bobby, a 1-year-old terrier mix, found himself wearing a green sweater that was much too large for his little frame. His eyes held a sadness that pierced through the screen, a testament to the rough hand he'd been dealt in life. His original owner, for reasons that only they knew, had abandoned him, leaving him alone and frightened in the shelter during a cold December. The picture, shared on social media, resonated with hundreds of thousands of people. Among those moved by Bobby's plight was a woman named Christy Diaz. She felt an unexplainable connection with Bobby and couldn't bear the thought of him spending another day in that kennel. So, on a Wednesday morning, she hurried to the shelter, determined to rescue him from his heart-wrenching situation. She found Bobby in the kennel, his eyes still reflecting the sorrow of his past. Christy approached him gently, rubbing his face and whispering reassuring words. She saw the sweetness beneath the misery, the yearning for love in his eyes. However, just as Christy was about to take Bobby for a much-needed walk, another potential savior arrived. Erica Blaisdell, having seen the story on Facebook, rushed in with hope in her heart, hoping to give Bobby the home he deserved. She described him as fabulous, a love-hungry soul just waiting for someone to shower him with affection. As Erica inquired about the adoption process, fate seemed to have other plans. Rob Miller, a dedicated member of the pet rescue group 1000 Abandoned Dogs of the Everglades, appeared at the shelter. He recognized Bobby's dire situation and offered to take him under his wing, promising him a brighter future. While Erica and Rob discussed Bobby's future, a quiet figure in the background was filling out adoption papers. This person, a volunteer at the shelter named Paula Mariaca, had a deep connection with Bobby. She had been there for him, dressing him in the Christmas sweater that had made him famous, showering him with care and attention.